Introducing the Adams Air Cannon. Now this is simply the safest way to remove water from your car after you've washed it. This little guy right here, the variable speed, the 30-foot expandable hose, the 15-foot power cord, the nice big rollerblade style wheels, the vented filtered air, and the fact that it heats the air makes this thing the most effective tool that you can use to dry your car. And did you know that your grill might hold 37 gallons of water? It might seem like it, right? Because as soon as you drive your car, you drive to the coffee shop, you pull up, you get out and you look and you're like, streaks galore. It drives you crazy. Get the water out and you'll be so much happier with the effectiveness of your drying. I love to dry vehicles in the shade. So if you're in the middle of the summer in a hot climate, make sure find shade or do it first thing in the morning. This blower does not stop water spots because you can't possibly dry faster than the sun is coming at you. So make sure you shoot for shade whenever possible when drying your car, and make sure you have your drying towel ready to roll. I'm super proud of this little tool. It really does the job extremely well. The comfortable neoprene grip, the nice clip-on nozzle makes it so that it'll never blow off. This entire program here is just built to blow, and it does a great job. You'll love it, as in everything else in our entire product line. It's 110% guaranteed to blow you away.